Dear friends, have you ever thought that just a simple cup of plain yogurt in the fridge could replace an expensive skincare product? Many medical studies have shown that yogurt contains lactic acid and probiotic bacteria. These are proven ingredients that help remove dead skin cells, brighten the skin, improve hydration, and slow down the aging process. That's why, if you know how to combine it correctly, your skin can become smoother, firmer, and wrinkles will gradually fade in just a short time. I believe today's simple formula will surprise you, because the results are no less effective than costly cosmetics. So, what is this secret? Please stay with me until the end of this video to find out. Before we dive into the main topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the latest tips from LiveWell every day. In each video, I always try to bring you easy to understand, practical information to help you care for your health and beauty in the most natural, safe, and budget-friendly way. If you've ever tried skincare with yogurt, or you're still wondering how to use it effectively, leave a comment below. I'll read them and do my best to respond, so we can walk together, day by day, in preserving lasting health and radiant skin. Wishing you abundant health and a relaxed, happy spirit. Dear friends, before revealing the ingredients that can be combined with yogurt to create an effective facial mask, let me briefly share the wonderful benefits of yogurt. In modern medicine, yogurt is considered not only a food that supports digestion but also one that benefits the skin. The lactic acid in yogurt gently removes dead skin cells, making the skin brighter and more even-toned without causing strong irritation like many chemical exfoliants. It also helps the skin retain natural moisture, reducing dryness and increasing smoothness. In addition, probiotics, the beneficial bacteria well known for balancing gut health, are also good for your skin. When used properly, these healthy bacteria help balance the skin's microbiome, limit harmful bacteria that cause acne and inflammation, and make the skin healthier from within. Yogurt also contains B vitamins, calcium, and zinc. B vitamins support cell regeneration and help the skin recover faster, while calcium and zinc maintain elasticity, slowing sagging and aging. In fact, many dermatological studies show that those who consistently use a yogurt mask 2 to 3 times per week see noticeable improvements in brightness and smoothness after about 4 weeks. This is the foundation, but to double the effectiveness. Right after this, I'll share some powerful yogurt mask recipes that are both easy to make and surprisingly effective. The first recipe I want to share is yogurt combined with honey. To make this recipe, first you just need to prepare 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Yogurt contains a natural acid called lactic acid, which works very gently to remove dull dead skin cells from the surface, making your skin look brighter and more even-toned. Not only that, yogurt also contains beneficial probiotics that help balance the skin's microbiome, reduce inflammation, and prevent breakouts. In addition, yogurt is rich in B vitamins, calcium, and zinc, essential nutrients that help keep the skin firm, smooth, and slow down aging. Next, add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Since ancient times, honey has been considered a natural antibiotic because it is packed with enzymes, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. Thanks to this, honey not only nourishes but also protects the skin from free radicals, the culprits behind wrinkles and premature aging. Moreover, honey is well known for its antibacterial properties, helping to calm small pimples while keeping the skin hydrated and soft. When yogurt and honey are combined, you'll get a mask that gently cleanses, deeply moisturizes, fades dark spots, and reduces fine lines. This truly is a perfect harmony. Yogurt brings freshness and health from within, while honey adds protection and nourishment from the outside. The method is very simple. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of pure honey until smooth. Cleanse your face to unclog the pores. Then apply the mixture evenly on your skin. While applying, you can gently massage in small circular motions to help nutrients absorb more deeply. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. If you use this 2 to 3 times per week, you'll notice your skin becoming brighter, softer, and smoother. Dark spots will gradually fade, and fine wrinkles will be less visible. However, if you have an allergy to honey, you should do a patch test on your wrist or behind your ear first to make sure it's safe before applying it to your face. The second recipe: yogurt combined with turmeric. After honey, the next ingredient I'd like to introduce is turmeric, a common kitchen spice that works like a miracle in skincare. To make this recipe, prepare 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and add half a tablespoon of pure turmeric powder. Or you can use a piece of fresh turmeric, finely crushed. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound widely studied in modern medicine for its strong anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps calm red, swollen acne, supports healing of small skin wounds, and is especially effective in fading scars and dark spots. Additionally, curcumin interferes with melanin production, which helps reduce hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. When combined with yogurt, which already contains lactic acid and probiotics that cleanse and nourish the skin, these 2 ingredients create a powerful synergy. Yogurt provides hydration and smoothness, while turmeric brings antioxidant power and brightening effects. Together, they improve dull skin, leaving it brighter, more even, smoother, and more youthful. Here's how to do it. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with half a tablespoon of turmeric powder until smooth. After cleansing your face, apply the mixture evenly, massage gently, and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off with cool water. If you stick to this routine 2 to 3 times a week, you'll see your skin becoming brighter, more even-toned, with dark spots and acne scars fading, and the skin's texture becoming smoother and stronger. One small note: pure turmeric powder may leave a slight yellow stain on your skin after rinsing. But don't worry, it will fade after a few washes. And for those allergic to turmeric or with very sensitive skin, always do a patch test on a small area first to avoid unwanted irritation. The third recipe: yogurt combined with lemon. My dear friends, the next ingredient is something you almost always have in your kitchen: fresh lemon. To make this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and half a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C and citric acid, both well known for their ability to brighten skin, fade dark spots, and tighten pores. Vitamin C also stimulates collagen production, which helps the skin stay elastic and youthful. At the same time, lemon has mild antibacterial properties, helping cleanse the skin's surface by removing dirt and excess oil. When lemon is combined with yogurt, this blend brings a double effect. Yogurt gently exfoliates and hydrates, while lemon brightens and tightens pores. This recipe is especially suitable for those with oily skin, large pores, or dull complexions. How to do it? Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with half a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Then apply evenly on a freshly cleansed face. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with cool water. Even after the first use, you'll notice your skin feeling fresh, firm, and brighter. However, there's an important note with this recipe. Because lemon contains strong acids, you should only use it a maximum of twice per week. Overuse can erode the skin barrier and cause sensitivity. After using a lemon mask, your skin will also be more prone to sunburn. So if you need to go outdoors, make sure to cover up properly and apply sunscreen. Also, this recipe is not recommended for those with very sensitive, thin, or already irritated skin, as the acid in lemon may cause stinging or redness. But for healthy skin, used correctly, this is a great secret for glowing skin with visibly tighter pores. My dear friends, the last ingredient I want to share today is cucumber, a simple, inexpensive fruit that's considered a hydration miracle for the skin. To make this recipe, Prepare 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and add 3 to 4 slices of fresh cucumber. Finely blended. Cucumber is over 95% water and also contains vitamins A, C, and E along with essential minerals. Thanks to this, cucumber instantly hydrates, soothes, and reduces dryness or flakiness, making it especially beneficial for sensitive or irritated skin. Not only that, vitamin C in cucumber helps brighten skin, while vitamin E provides antioxidant benefits, supporting wrinkle prevention. When combined with yogurt, which has lactic acid for exfoliation and probiotics to reduce inflammation, these 2 ingredients create a gentle mask that hydrates, soothes redness, and helps restore skin after sun exposure or dryness. This recipe is perfect for days when your skin feels tired and lifeless. How to do it? Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with the blended cucumber. Then apply evenly on your cleansed face. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with cool water. Right after rinsing, you'll feel your skin refreshed, soft, and full of vitality. One small note: this recipe is generally safe for all skin types, even sensitive skin. However, to boost results, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Your skin will stay hydrated, smooth, and youthful for much longer. My dear friends, when it comes to skincare with yogurt, many people think you just need to apply it to your face to see results. But in reality, whether it works or not depends on how you use it. That's why I'd like to share a few core principles, golden rules, so you can feel confident and get the best results. First of all, the yogurt used for masks must be plain, unsweetened yogurt. Many people accidentally use yogurt with added sugar, which can clog pores and cause breakouts. It's a small detail, but extremely important. Next, always cleanse your face before applying the mask. Think of your skin as soil. If it's still full of dirt and oil, nutrients can't penetrate deeply. When the skin is clean and pores are clear, yogurt can deliver its full benefits. Another key point is not leaving the mask on for too long. Many assume that the longer the mask stays, the better it works. But in fact, after 15 to 20 minutes, your skin has already absorbed enough nutrients. Leaving it on longer won't make your skin better. Instead, it may cause dryness and strip away natural moisture. After rinsing off the mask, don't forget to apply a light layer of moisturizer. This step locks in all the nutrients your skin just absorbed. If skipped, your skin will quickly lose hydration again, making all your effort go to waste. With recipes that include lemon, you need to be even more careful, since the acid in lemon makes skin sensitive and prone to sun damage. After using, it's best to avoid direct sunlight, or if you must go outside, cover up well and apply sunscreen. Lastly, the frequency matters. You should only use these masks 2 to 3 times per week, giving your skin time to rest and regenerate. Don't overdo it by applying every day. That will backfire. And finally, I want to emphasize one very important thing. Yogurt face masks are only one part of your skincare journey. They act like a companion, nourishing and protecting your skin from the outside. But if we only rely on masks and forget to care for our bodies from within, the results will never be complete. For truly healthy and beautiful skin, it starts with daily habits. Eat plenty of fresh vegetables and fruits to provide vitamins and natural antioxidants. Drink enough water every day so your skin stays hydrated from within. Most dryness and wrinkles come from dehydration. Getting enough sleep and sleeping on time is also essential because nighttime is when your skin regenerates most powerfully. If you stay up late often, your skin will quickly look dull, age faster, and lose its youthful glow. In addition, I want to remind you that a relaxed mind is the most precious medicine for your skin. When stressed, the body releases harmful hormones that trigger acne, dullness, and loss of vitality. On the other hand, when you feel calm and happy, your skin naturally becomes brighter, rosier, and healthier. In simple terms, Yogurt masks are like a beautiful outer garment, while diet, sleep, and mindset are the roots. Combining external care with inner nourishment is the true secret to keeping your skin healthy, radiant, and youthful for a long time. So, as you can see, with just a simple cup of yogurt at home, when combined correctly and applied with the small principles I've shared, you can achieve glowing, smooth, and vibrant skin without spending a fortune. The key is consistent practice along with a healthy lifestyle, and the results will definitely satisfy you. I sincerely hope today's video helps you on your journey of natural health and beauty. If you found this content useful, please subscribe to live well every day. Turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below to give me more motivation to share even better tips. I'd like to send you my heartfelt wishes. May you always stay healthy and peaceful, with youthful, radiant skin and a relaxed spirit, so that every day is a day worth living, filled with positive energy. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next videos of Live Well Every Day, where we accompany you from inner health to outer beauty.